Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. First of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are not active right now. It is because we are using the network provided time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn them off just by tapping on those switchers here. And all we have to do right now is to simply tap on date and just by swiping change it, confirm it. The same situation with the time, just change it and tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Let's pick the time zone also, tap on the region. And here from this list, just find the one you'd like to use. If you don't want to scroll, just enter it here. For example, this one. And as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. But of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format. Right now we are using the automatic one, which is of course based on the system language, but we can manually set it for 24-hour format or 12-hour format. It's up to you, of course. Just tap on the one you'd like to use. And here we've got the dual clock, which simply means that you will have two different clocks, which will show two different hours. It's up to you if you want to use them. If you want, just enter the second clock to set the particular place in the world from which you would like to see the time, or you can simply turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. So basically this is how to manually set the date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, actually get back to previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here and changing the time format to the automatic one. So basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.